Iran just deployed a futuristic Chinese laser weapon to protect its skies, and it might change the balance of power in the Middle East. How powerful is this silent hunter system, and what does it mean for regional security? Let's find out. Back in October 2024, satellite images revealed something big: Iran rolling out the Chinese Shen Nung Shield 3000, also known as the Silent Hunter. It's not science fiction. This is a high-tech laser defense system built to take down drones and low-flying threats with insane precision. The days of relying only on missiles or guns, those might be numbered. So, what exactly is the Silent Hunter? Developed by China, the Silent Hunter is an electrically powered fiber optic laser. It packs a punch with an output between 30 and 100 kilowatts. To put that into perspective, this thing can cut through 10 millimeters of steel from 800 meters away, and it can destroy unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs from up to 4 kilometers out. It's fast, it's accurate, and compared to missiles, it's actually pretty cheap to operate. For Iran, it's perfect for defending airports, military bases, or any high-value site against drone swarms that are getting harder to stop every year. Now, why is Iran getting this high-tech gear from China? Well, it's part of a bigger picture. Back in 2021, Iran and China signed a 25-year strategic agreement. That means military cooperation, intelligence sharing, and access to advanced Chinese weapons like the Silent Hunter. For both countries, it's a way to push back against US influence in the Middle East and show they're not messing around when it comes to new tech. But here's the real headline: lasers like Silent Hunter aren't just a Chinese or Iranian thing. The US, Israel, Germany, they're all rolling out their own laser defense systems. Why? Because lasers are cost efficient, they fire at the speed of light, and they don't blow up half a city block if you miss. They're scalable too, meaning you can keep firing as long as you have electricity. Suddenly the idea of defending against fast, cheap drones doesn't sound hopeless. So with Iran fielding this Chinese laser weapon, are we entering an era where lasers dominate the battlefield? What do you think? Will lasers replace traditional missiles in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on cutting-edge military tech. Thanks for watching.